So, you might be having common cold or respiratory infections, but this common cold might be more than other people, or you might be having bone pain, low back pain, or you might be depressed. These are different symptoms or indications that might be directing a certain deficiency of a certain vitamin. And in this video we are going to talk about that certain vitamin which will reduce these symptoms. Hello guys, this is Parvez Ahmed Shaun and welcome to my channel Kaizen. Please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon so that you will always be updated with the latest content of this channel. So going back to the vitamin part, so that specific vitamin that we are going to talk about in this video is vitamin D. Vitamin D is one of the most lessly found vitamin in foods, and around 600 IU is needed. IU means international unit. 600 IU is basic need, and it differs from age to age. Like under 12 years, the daily need is around 400 IU, and people with over 70 years of age needs 800 IU of vitamin D. It is fat soluble, so if you take a excessive amount, it might get stored in your body, and regulates over 2000 genes. This is not the gene of Alif Laila. This is the gene that encodes what type of enzymes or biochemical reaction that will happen in our body. It also improves our bone strength and muscle mass, and also boosts immunity and reduces the chance of infections. If you see certain people are having more infections than others, these people might be vitamin D deficient. Vitamin D deficiency increases the chance of infections. So about vitamin D deficiency, 40% to 95% of population are vitamin D deficient. This varies from area to area. In certain population of India, the deficiency level is around 95%, and in Bangladesh, around 85% people are vitamin D deficient. This vitamin D deficiency is a global pandemic, and you can increase your vitamin D intake by just going through the sun. Yes, sun is the major source of vitamin D. Around 90% of vitamin D comes from sun. So if you are vitamin D deficient, which you might be, because around 90% or more than 90% of populations are vitamin D deficient, so you might need to take a sun bath daily around 50 to 30 minutes of sun will fulfill the daily requirement of vitamin D. Of course, make exposure of all of your body parts in sun, under sun. And if you are into foods, egg will help you in the consume of vitamin D. And if you are a vegan person who doesn't like animals or other sorts of food, you can take mushroom. Mushroom is a good source of vitamin D. If you take sufficient amount of this food, you will not be vitamin D sufficient. Yes, sufficient. Vitamin D should be taken from sun, because sun alone can give you 90% of your vitamin D intake. Food doesn't have that much of vitamin D which can fulfill the daily requirement. So you need to go out of sun, or you can take supplements of vitamin D which will reduce the deficiency of vitamin D. Also, foods can help you in reducing the deficiency of vitamin D. So this is all from vitamin D part, and I will end this video with a quote from APJ Abdul Kalam, which is, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like the sun. And in the next video we are going to talk about a certain portion of immunity boosting agent, and that video will be uploaded soon, so stay with the channel for this bonus video. Thank you for staying with us. Peace.